So I worked on my headache rack, added some side rails, put some undercoating on it. So as soon as this dries, I'll do a... So that's how she looks without a back rack. She's jacked up because I just got this. About to install this, but those little tabs for the bottom of the race rails, I put riv nuts there, so that sits there. That keeps it from moving back. 2 bolts hold it in. So like I said, I'll go over the install of it, throw a little quick video up. About to install this though. This is gonna be fun. All right, she's dirty, but a little update. Did a little race rail, side rail mod to the headache rack. Went to the local metal yard, bought some scrap pieces, cut an angle there, welded that in with some spacers to keep that even. Did some magnets, put some little riv nuts in here. Did the sweet patina black undercoating, really protects the metal. That's what I did on the headache rack. I think it looks cool, adds a little bit to the truck, in my opinion. Also added a HornBlasters Mini Outlaw. And this thing is ridiculous. Let me give you a taste of that. God, that's loud. So I thought it was fun. Feels like a funny thing to have on the mini truck. So here she is, dropped down, music playing, running. Gets so low. She is absolutely disgusting. Needs a good wash. But I'm thinking fender flares. And that should be it. Keep her clean, take her to shows, make people laugh. I love it.